This is an unboxing video for the handheld XRF analyzer for soil mode. First, let's open the carrying case. Inside, we can see the analyzer in the upper left corner, accompanied by a wrist strap. Next to it is the 316 metal standard sample, below is our soil standard sample. Here we have lithium batteries. Each analyzer comes with 2 lithium batteries. This is the charger. And here's the included Type-C data cable. On this side, there's a USB flash drive. And this is the battery charging base. Additionally, we have window films. Due to the complexity of soil samples and the risk of contamination during testing, we recommend that customers use portable testing stand to test the samples, used with radiation shields. Now, let's perform a power-on test. We have the GSS38 soil sample, which comes with the analyzer. First, enter the mode selection page. Select the soil mode. Then select hardware and common setup. Select trigger setting. Next, enter the analysis page where we can edit soil parameters such as humidity, test time, and input sample information. This time, we'll name it 1 and click Save. Now, let's prepare the portable testing stand. Place the analyzer on it. Position the sample on the testing window. Cover it with a radiation shield. And pull the trigger. Test ends. Open the radiation shield. Remove the sample, and let's take a look at the results. We can see the elemental concentration of the soil sample, with precise measurements down to ppm levels for various elements.